At this house, we've got some really hard water, and I've tried previously to clean this off with vinegar. I've tried Barkeeper's Friend. Nothing's working. Take a look at this shower and how gross it looks. Anyways, today I'm gonna try this guy based on some reviews I found online, and I'll let you know how it goes. The instructions say to spray it on from 6 to 8 inches away and let it sit 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna get that really good. Oh, we got some tile up there, that's cool. It's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna take a sponge just to wipe it a little bit, see if that makes a difference, and then I'll rinse it off. Now I'm gonna take some water, it's been another minute. Rinse this guy off. We're not really gonna know if it worked until it dries, but right now it looks pretty good. You can see here, there's like a little bit on the edge, maybe a little bit in the crevice here, maybe some in the little crevices here, but overall, I would say it did pretty good. I mean, this was pretty baked in there. The shower head does look better, although I'm not too concerned because I'm getting ready to replace it. We'll put that on video too. But regardless, yeah, I would say this works pretty good. So I would recommend CLR Brilliant Bath for getting your hard water stains off of your bathroom fixtures. See y'all next time.